So here's a chance to get into 5-face machining with this 5-axis machine from XYZ. This is the UMC. This is the 4+1. So you can't do full 5-axis simultaneous machining on here, but to be honest, you know, most machine shops around the country don't have a necessity for that. But if you want to do multi-face machining, then this is a great value machine tool. The first thing I want to look at here is how the machine is constructed and the access. You can see I'm standing right inside the machine to be able to load components is easy. The table here, this 2-axis table, which will move in 2 degrees, you've got your A and your C axis, is supported both sides. You also have the Y-axis here, which moves out backwards and forwards, but it's supported on this bridge style construction, which is a very rigid method of building a 5-axis machine. Now this is a 15,000 RPM spindle machine, so it's a high-speed machining center at the same time. Why do you want to go for 5-face machining? Well, how many times are you moving parts around the machine shop from machine to machine when you could complete the part maybe in 2 operations, 5 faces and then the 6th face as the second op. Now this particular model here has the Siemens control. It's got the 828 touchscreen control. Now it's great to be able to use these touchscreen controls these days, and even by having things like oil and coolants on your hand doesn't affect the technology and the ability to use systems like this. This machine is available as an X demonstration machine. It's X stock here as well at XYZ Machine Tools. Visit their website to find out more at xyzmachinetools.com.